Hey yo,
Wil je die intro doen?
Moet ik?
Yeah, you can do.
Hoe begin ik?
You just say like, I don't know, just go with the flow. Like what you would do if you were a vlogger.
Hi guys, welcome to Leighton's vlog.
What are we doing here?
We're here for 21st. We're gonna camp.
Mm. We
We're
are gonna
chill.
enjoy. We're gonna enjoy. So yeah, guys. Ik leek glad niet zo beetje. Makrilo's back in the YouTube channel.
Huh?
Finally. He's finally back. Tama die lighting. Yo. What is going on, guys? Welcome to our vlog. Te lach me uit. Hoe aardig. Wacht eers. Die mensen, hulle vat one van my. Hulle vat one. Hoe, ietsie. Wys aan mense, hoe doen nou mense? Ha? Wys. Ah ja, dat doen maar.
Wat die vlogger vrienden.
Ja, nee. Maar hulle sal gewoond raak. Kan ek hulle introduce op die channel? Maar wat die? Yo. Dis man is so sleg. Dis net shit wat daarvan nou. Hy sê sommer finally again. Hy het lank gewag. Anyways guys, so today we're doing shopping. En dan gaan ons cross Barmen toe soos ek gesê het. Ek wys op. Dis op die channel, né? Hoor jy? Dis op die channel. Jy klaar gewys, jy kan maar kyk, bro. Just jy maak lyk so mooi. Yeah. Waar het hulle die mooi vriend opgetel? Okay guys, so ons is nou in Okainga. We around the corner from Cross Barmen. Dus hier saam met my vriende. Hulle wil nie op die kamera wees. Eers chief, hoe lyk dit? Wees nice. So ja, ons gaan is dit? Wees salute. Ja, so ons wag.
guys, kyk hier. I know it is not right. Okay, I know it's not right, but in my head I was like, nah, not today. This phone is not getting stolen. I'm not getting robbed. So yeah, I just had to end the video there and then, you know, yeah, back to the road.
As we now at Cross Barmen. So now we Cross Barmen. Let me show you. Cross Barmen Spa Conference Resort. So yeah, we're just waiting to go in at the reception. I'll show you guys how it looks. So guys, this is how you set up a tent, okay? To open up the bag, first you have to have the tent. You open the bag now. Dan maak je net zo. Klaar. Then what you need to do, you take your bag, put it in the tent. You won't set up. Die views. Ja, ik kan ook eens zien die. Dat is iets dat. Who are you?
Ek is 'n Engels kat.
You can speak anything.
Ek is Amor. I
Amor.
am Amor.
It's Amor.
It's Amor on Instagram.
So Instagram, yes.
Ja, Instagram handle is Hey.
Ja. Die mensen Jamaica omdat ik video's maak. I
Hoekom?
don't know. Hulle lag me uit, guys. Welcome to my vlog. Daar lag hulle me uit.
Hi guys.
Wil je die intro doen?
Moet ik?
Yeah, you can do.
Hoe begin ik?
You just say like, I don't know, just go with the flow. Like what you would do if you were a vlogger.
Hi guys, welcome to Leighton's vlog.
What are we doing here?
We're here for 21st. We're gonna camp.
Mm. We are gonna enjoy. We're gonna enjoy. So yeah, guys, just finished setting up the tents. It's gonna be in the background. Okay, yeah, I'll just. Okay, anyways, so yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can see me, but yeah, my voorkop blink, but you know, that's just a sign of a bright future. Anyways, so yeah, I'll just have a bunch of, you know, clips here and there. Hopefully, you know, I can actually make a video out of this. Let me just quickly show you guys again. Basically, this is my camp site here, my tent, what you might call it. If everyone here, all over the fires being made, gonna braai. That's the, I don't know what that is, but yeah, it's a kitchen or whatever. And yeah, the vibes are gonna be lekker. So yeah, hopefully you guys do enjoy it. Smash the like button, subscribe, comment down below if you guys are new for a shout out on the next video. And yeah, lekker. So guys, I thought I might as well just show you guys, you know, like the facilities here. So if I look back, that's where we are camping, and then basically right here, like the kitchen is around the corner. So this is a men's bathroom, obviously. You know, it's quite pleasing. I'll show you guys now. So that's two more parts. I mean, the fade is alright. Just took way too long, and here's my skitbrille. So away. Yeah guys, we're just wrapping up today. We're at the swimming pool. Behind me is a dam. I don't know what dam it is, but it's called Barmen's dam. Anyways, it was lekker. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, whatnot. I like what I've said about 5 times. Anyways, yeah, there's a bit of people who went to the hot tubs and cool tubs and everything, and yeah, I could have had like a cool photo or whatever, but yeah, it's alright. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, so yeah, it's sentence of birthday party, something unofficial, but so for today's video, right now, today, so today we finally reached 100 subscribers. So the man that has been in 99.9% of the videos has something to say.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
So yeah guys, yeah, take care.